He's really spitting them in to give the necessary strength. So by scoring with the hatchet blade, then snap, another snap, a clean, fast break, thanks to long research that developed the special gypsum core and the unique properties of the paper that envelops it. Both must conform to high standards of strength, and when the wet plaster is applied, the tiny gypsum crystals must permeate the paper to make a strong and lasting bond. That reduces waste and conserves man-hours. Complete coverage and close fitting is important, as around this light switch. He carefully scores the paper around the opening, cross scores it, and taps out the core. A perfect fit and easy to plaster.